Hi everyone, hope you all doing well. Welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about CVSS, which stands for Common Vulnerability Scoring System, a method which is used to define the severity of a vulnerability based on a numerical score. If you're watching the series from the beginning, in the last video, we discussed about CVEs, whereas the agenda of this video will be knowing what is CVSS, different versions of CVSS calculators, how is severity of vulnerability defined, how to use CVSS calculators, and how CVSS helps in vulnerability management. Let's begin and understand all this with a relative example or a use case scenario. Think about yourself as a security researcher or anyone who has started learning about security. Now, let's say you found a vulnerability either in an application or operating system or firmware. Now, this vulnerability that you have found, there is a lot of time investment that you have done in terms of understanding the behavior of this vulnerability. By this, I mean that let's say in order to execute an exploit with this vulnerability, an attacker needs local access to the device. Or let's say by using this vulnerability, an exploit can be performed without any admin access. Typically, no admin access required. Now, since no admin access is required, it's not a complex task, right? Now, based on your findings, you think that this vulnerability is critical. Similarly, let's say I found the same vulnerability, but I am thinking that since local access is required on this device, so according to me, the vulnerability has low severity. Now, all this is happening because there is no common standards which we both are adhering to. That means even though we are discovering the same vulnerability, we are having different outcomes. According to you, it's a critical vulnerability, but according to me, it has low severity. Now, what if I say that there is an industry standardized framework that we both can use to calculate the numerical value of this vulnerability based on its characteristics, which in turn will help us to categorize the severity of the vulnerability. And this information will be common between both of us. Now, this framework, which help you to calculate the severity of a vulnerability based on its characteristics, is termed as CVSS or is being known as Common Vulnerability Scoring System. Now, let's talk about a brief history about this framework. The framework was initially introduced in 2005 by first.org. The purpose was defining the numerical value for a vulnerability based on its characteristics or properties. Then version 2.0 of the same framework was released in 2007. Version 3 was released in 2015 and the latest version is 3.1, which was released in 2019. But still, the most adopted framework is v3.0. Now, based on these frameworks, CVSS calculators, a sort of interface, was made available on first.org. But then this framework was heavily supported by NIST. According to me, the best resource you should refer to in terms of understanding how these calculators calculate the numerical value of a vulnerability, please visit https://nvd.nist.gov. Now let me show you all this in action and things will be more relatable. So now what you see is one of my browser where I have just searched for CVSS, which stands for Common Vulnerability Scoring System. And as you can see, if we go to the history section, it specifically mentions that the first version of CVSS was released in 2005. And the company or the organization who has released this was first.org. So if you'll go to first.org and then click on standards and publications, the first one is Common Vulnerability Scoring System. Now what you see here is the different versions of the frameworks which have been released. Okay. Now on behalf of these frameworks, calculators have been created, a sort of interface that can help you calculate the numerical value of a vulnerability. But before I go there, I just want you to read this statement with me, which says the common vulnerability scoring system provides a way to capture the principal characteristics of a vulnerability and then produce a numerical score reflecting its severity. And that's the exact purpose of CVSS. Now, let's say if I go to nvd.nist.gov, you can see it's showing me a lot of information which is related to vulnerabilities. Here, NVD stands for National Vulnerability Database. Now, if you click on vulnerabilities and then go to any of these pages, you'll get a lot more information which you can read for your future references. Or if you want to know more about these concepts in a lot more detail, I would suggest you to read this documentation. Now, if you will click on vulnerability metrics, you'll get two different options here, which will let you know about the two different calculators which are available. The one is for v2.0 and the other one is for v3.0. But what you see here is the range getting mapped to a severity. So if I talk about v2.0 ratings, if the numerical score lies between 0 to 3.9, it's low. But this categorization has been slightly evolved in 3.0. It means that in 3.0 we have none, low, medium, high, and critical. Whereas in V2.0, we only have low, medium, and high. Now let's say you choose any of these calculators to go ahead and calculate a CVSS score for your vulnerability that you have discovered. It basically has three different metrics. The first one will give you a score starting from 0.0 to 10, and depending upon the score where it lands up, you can define the severity of the vulnerability. This part is the set of characteristics which change, and this section, the last section in fact, is very much environment specific. Okay, so let's say if I select some of the values from here, what I will get the moment I will click on now any of these, I will get a score highlighted here. And as you can see, based on the characteristics that I have selected, it is showing me a score. But now if I customize these, it is getting changed because temporal and environmental parameters are also getting calculated. So this is how CVSS is actually helping you to calculate the numerical value for a vulnerability that can help you define the severity of that vulnerability altogether. If you want to know more, you can click on show equations, and this is a definite level of information. If you're able to understand, it's great. Just for your information, this is how the actual calculation works for defining a score for a vulnerability. So now let's talk about a quick summary of what all we have discussed in this video. We have discussed about CVSS, versions of CVSS, framework or calculator you can define as, then how severities are actually being defined, how to use CVSS calculators, and how CVSS helps in vulnerability management. The more organized CVSS score you have, the more vulnerability management process of your enterprise will be organized, or let's say evolved. In the next video, I'm going to talk about gaps filled by security products. If you think that this channel is helping you to learn anything new, please feel free to share this video with your technical community. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.